Hello everyone, today we will be making three different types of mocktail. The first one is a ginger and lemon lemonade. Ingredients that you will require for this drink are 1 tablespoon of ginger which is finely chopped, half teaspoon of cumin powder, powdered sugar as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of rock salt or pink Himalayan salt, juice of 1 lime, and here I have taken soda, and also a half cup of mint leaves. Now in a grinding stone, add in your half cup of mint leaves, to this add 1 tablespoon of ginger finely chopped, now start mushing it together until it is formed like a rough paste. Now when your paste is formed, it should look something like this. Now add this paste to your serving glass. To this add in a juice of 1 lime, powdered sugar as per your taste, mix this together, give it a good stir, make sure the sugar is all dissolved in that lemon juice. Now to this add about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of rock salt or Himalayan pink salt, then add in your cumin powder and stir this together. Now to this add in your ice cubes. Now add in your soda. Give this a good stir. And there you have it, your ginger and lemon lemonade is all ready. The next recipe is a virgin mojito. The ingredients required for this drink are 1.5 lemons sliced into small chunks, half a cup of mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar or as per your taste, 1/4 cup of ice cubes. Here I have used Sprite, you can also use soda. The first step is to chill your margarita glass in the freezer for around 5 to 10 minutes. Next, in a Kasa tumbler, add in your 1.5 lime cut in chunks, to this add in your half cup of mint leaves, now mush this two together till all the juices from the lemon and the mint are all released. Once done, to this add about 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar or add the sugar as per your taste. Again mush this together. Once done, keep this aside. Now take out a margarita glass from the freezer. Run a lime wedge along the edge of the glass. Now dip this glass in the plate of powdered sugar. Make sure each edge is well coated with the powdered sugar. Now fill your margarita glass with ice cubes. Add in your mint, lemon and powdered sugar syrup. Now add Sprite to this. Now garnish it with some mint leaves, and there you have it, your virgin mojito is all ready. Now the next drink is a rose cooler. The ingredients you will require for this drink are 2 tablespoons of rose syrup, 2 tablespoons of sabja seed or basil seeds, juice of half a lime and a lime slice for garnish, 1 teaspoon of rock salt or Himalayan pink salt, 2 to 3 ice cubes, water as required. Now in a chilled steamless glass, add about 2 tablespoons of sabja seeds, to this add 2 tablespoons of rose syrup, add the juice of half a lime, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt or Himalayan pink salt, give this a good stir. To this add about 2 to 3 ice cubes. Now add in your chilled water. Give it a stir again. Garnish with a slice of lime. And there you have it, your rose cooler is all ready. I hope you liked today's video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and do follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching.